Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. One of the things that hurts me working out in the forest is lifting logs. And I don't like to run my chainsaw into the ground, so I like to be able to lift my log up. And recently I purchased this log ox, and today we're going to review it. And this should help my back, and it should help save my chainsaw blades also. So let's get started and let's give it a try. The first log I tried was an old log that's been here for a long time, and it was kind of awkward because I was pulling it down the hill, but it lifted it right up pretty easy, and I was able to take a couple slices out of it. I had to warm up my chainsaw a little bit, but that log ox made it really easy to lift it. I mean, look, it lifted up probably 6 or 8 inches off the ground, and that keeps the chainsaw out of the dirt. And then I'm also not having to bend over quite as far, which for an old guy with a bad back, that's a big help. The only thing bad about this particular log is it was headed downhill towards that tree. So after this slice, I think I move on to another log. I got over here, and this is a smaller little tree, only about 20 feet long, but it sure made it easy to, I could lift up 6 feet at a time and basically just be able to chop a bunch without going into the dirt. And yeah, that worked. I'm pretty impressed with it. The only thing that I had happen using it was the little pin fell out, and I don't see any reason to take that thing apart, so I'm going to actually leave it all. I'm going to bolt that thing so it's a little more solid. But it worked really well, and it kept everything off the ground, and that was the main thing. And you can see right here, I'm kind of standing more upright, trying to save my back, and that seemed to work a little bit. Bunch of little logs. This tree's been laying there for about 2 years. Later on. Now here's a bigger piece, and I lifted that up. It lifted really easy. Thanks for watching this episode of Outlaw Woodworking. I think this little log ox is going to help my woodworking out in the forest a lot. It's going to save my back. It's going to save my chainsaw blade. And all in all, I think it was worth the money. It's a well-built product. And anyway, thank you very much for watching. I will catch you next time. Later.